Hey friends, my name is Scott, this is Tech Talk, and today we are going to be factory resetting this LG smartwatch. It's the LG W150, and we're going to restore it to the factory default settings. Really easy procedure, stick around and we'll show you how to do it. Okay, so here is our LG watch, and we're going to just be doing a factory reset on the watch. This will restore everything again to factory default settings. So if you have any data that you haven't backed up, make sure you do that. What we're going to do is actually come over here on the button on the right. We're going to press and hold it for about 2 seconds. You'll see the settings menu come up. I'm then going to scroll down, and you can see that there's a factory reset option. Now again, remember, this is going to reset everything to just like it'd come out of the box. It asks you if you're sure you want to do this, and I'm going to click that green checkbox. Okay, you can see it is installing the default apps when it comes back on for the first time. And there we go, there's our initial welcome screen. All right, friends, hopefully that has helped. Great system to walk through in order to set everything to factory defaults. You're going to be selling the watch, or if you just want a nice fresh reboot. All right, stay tuned. We got a lot more tips, tricks, tutorial videos coming up. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you again soon.